I have the hiccups, so hopefully they don't activate. Anyways, what did you do today?
Today, I had my 2 presentations. One of them was 15 minutes, one of them was an hour, but they went well, so I'm happy. And what else did we do? We watched Survivor, watched Ted Lasso, did some homework. That's all?
I think so.
Question mark? Yeah.
I am very tired. At work this morning, I substituted for first grade, which was the last first grade class at the school that I'm at. And it was interesting. It was like, at one point I was kind of like, I don't know what to do. I don't have anything planned. So I just started reading to them. And I got like 3 books that they were interested in.
You should have just been like nap time.
Oh, heck no. I didn't have to wake them up. Imagine them going home and being like, Mommy, we had nap time. And then I'm like, anyways, what else? The thing is, most of the time, if they get free time, it's always it's always a good bet to be like, okay, like just color, because they're sitting down and they like doing it, you know, and it's like not messy, right? However, when there's multiple kids who don't want to color, you're just like, what? So what I've come to terms with saying is, okay, if you don't want to color, I can give you a math worksheet to do.
My gosh.
Okay, I'll color.
What a great trade-off.
Sometimes, I know in the 2nd grade I was in, like there was always like this one student who was like, I'll do the math, and I was like, okay. It got to a point where like I gave him all the math papers I had, so I was like, well, do you want to do this, or like, do you want me to make you question?
What did they learn in like 1st grade, like addition, subtraction?
Some of the 1st graders, they didn't know it was called subtraction. They were calling it takeaway.
What did they learn in 2nd grade?
Like
Still addition, subtraction?
Yeah, like strengthening it, because you learn multiplication in 3rd.
I see.
And division, I think.
Nice.
I'm so sleepy. I have class at 1 p.m. I just go. When do you have class?
11.
How many hours is that for now?
8.
Oh yeah, you got that.
Yeah.
I'm so sleepy. And my hiccups have been painful. Anyways, do you have anything else you want to say?
Nope.
Okay, so we're gonna go. So, thank you so much for watching. If this is my story, what do you say? Bye. I'm really tired.
I was about to say, can you do this 20-second intro without hiccuping? And you hiccuped in the 1st second. So, that one's gone.
I'm so sleepy. Good night.